Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series. Today we will discuss about another concept, triple integrals. Triple integrals. This is similar to double integrals, just we will extend the concept for triple integrals. Now, integral. Now, this is triple integral. This is only one integral, double integral. Now, triple integral. Some function of x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. Here we are integrating with respect to x, y, and z also. Suppose if the limits are z limits in terms of yz, yx, f2 of some x comma y, or yx or x comma y, both are same. Now y limits some function of x to some function of x limits some constant a to b. Now this is a triple integral. In this integral, first integrate with respect to z, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. If you integrate with respect to z, other two variables x and y are treated as constants. If you integrate with respect to y, x is treated as constant, then integrate with respect to x. This is the concept of triple integrals. Now we will discuss a problem based on triple integral. Now, first problem, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 1 to 2, integral 2 to 3, x, y, z into dx, dy. If you observe this problem, all are constant limits, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, all are constant limits. Now take the variables in the order of dx, dy, dz, this order. Now this is x, so this is x limits. The second limit y, and third one is z. First integrate with respect to x, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to z. If you integrate with respect to x, y and z variables are treated as constants. If you integrate with respect to y, x is treated as, z is treated as constant. Now we will solve this problem. Now this integral, so I will take it as I equals to. So first integrate with respect to x. Here I will write here again, z equals to 0 to 1, y is 1 to 2, x is 2 to 3, x into y into z into dx. Now first integrate with respect to x. Now only x and yz are treated as constant. Integral of x equals to integral of x dx is x square by 2. So using this formula, integral z is 0 to 1, integral y is 1 to 2, x integration is x square by 2 into yz dy dz. Now this is the formula. Now substitute the limits. X limit 2 and 3. So first substitute x equals to 3, then x equals to 2. Z equals to 0 to 1, y is 1 to 2. If you put x equals to 3, 9, then second limit 4 by 2, yz dy. Now here 9 by 4 is 5 by 2. Okay. Z is 0 to 1, fine. Now integrate with respect, this is constant, here integrate with respect to y, integral value is using the same formula, y square by 2. Y square by 2 limits 1 to 2. Now again substitute y equals to 2, then y equals to 1, then 5 by 2 times of integral z is 0 to 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 1 And also we have one more term here, Z D. Z D. Now integrate with respect to Z. Here 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 2 is 15 by 4. Integral Z is Z square by 2, 0 to 1. Now substitute the limit Z equals to 1 then Z equals to 0. This is 15. 15 by 4. Right, these are 15. 15 by 4. Now put Z equals to 1 and Z equals to 0. 15 by 4. 1 minus 0 by 2. That is 15 by 8. Now this is very simple procedure. First integrate with respect to x, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to z. If you integrate with respect to x, other two variables are treated as constant. Integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to y, that is treated as constant. Very simple. If all are constant limits, take the variables in this order only, they get d by dt. Now we will discuss the another problem. Now second problem. Evaluate integral 0 to a, integral 0 to x, integral x plus y into e power x plus y plus z into dx dy dt. In the previous problem, all limits are constant. Here, variable limits. If you observe the first integral, this is in terms of x and y, that's why this is z limits. Here now, in terms of x, already z is completed, other variable is y. Now finally, last variable x. So first integrate with respect to z, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. Now solution. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to x, z is 0 to x plus y. E power x plus y plus z is nothing but e power x into e power y into e power z dx dy. Now first integrate with respect to z. Other two variables are constants. Other two variables are treated as constants. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to x. Now integral e power z is e power z. E power x constant, e power y constant, e power z. Z is 0 to x plus y dx. Now first put z equals to x plus y, then z equals to 0. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to x, e power x into e power y into, put z equals to x plus y, e power x plus y minus e power 0 dx dy. Now e power x, here also e power x, e power 2x. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to x, e power x into e power y into this one is nothing but e power 2x into e power 2y minus e power x e power y dx. Now integrate with respect to y. Now e power 2y integration is e power 2y by 2. Here e power y integration is e power y. X is 0 to a, e power 2x is constant, e power 2y by 2 minus e power x into e power y, limit 0 to x dx. Now put y equals to x and y equals to 0. So I will arrange the upper part. So I will continue. So now substitute, put y equals to x, then y equals to 0. Then this integral becomes 0 to a, e power 2x by 2 into, put y equals to x, e power 2x, here e power x minus, put y equals to 0, e power 0 is 1, e power 2x by 2. Now e power y is also, e power 0 is also 1, e power x dx. Now observe, This is nothing but integral 0 to a e power 2x into e power 2x is e power 2x into, okay. So for second limit this is minus e power 2x into e power 2x, e power 4x by 2, e power 2x, e power 2x by 2 plus e power x by x. Now integrate with respect to x, e power 4x by 4, e power 2x by 2, e power 2x by 2 into 2 by 4 plus e power x. Now 0 to a. Now first put x equals to a, then x equals to 0. X equals to 0. Now e power 4a by 8, e power 2a by 2, e power 2a by 4 plus e power a. Now put x equals to 0, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. If you simplify, you will get so if you simplify e power 4a by 8 is e power 4a by 8. Now e power 2a here e power a 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is minus a by 4 e power a. If you simplify, you will get minus a by 8. So this is the second problem.